Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox Rivals video. Today, I'm going to show you all of the newest working Rivals codes for the latest 2026 update. These codes can give you free keys, exclusive rewards, skins, weapon wraps, and other awesome items completely free. I've collected all of the active and newly released codes, so make sure you watch until the end because you don't want to miss any limited time rewards. All of the codes shown in this video have been tested and confirmed working. Some of them may expire soon, so redeem them as quickly as possible. Before we start, I'm also hosting a giveaway for Roblox players watching this video. You could win free keys, premium rewards, and exclusive in-game items. To enter, simply like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your Roblox username below. Also, make sure you watch the full video because only active viewers will have a chance to win. As you can see on the screen, I currently have over 1 million ROBUX. And yes, these giveaways are completely real. Now, without wasting any more time, let's redeem all of the newest Roblox Rivals codes from the latest 2026 update. If you don't know how to redeem codes, just open Roblox Rivals, click on Shop, select More, and then tap Codes. After that, enter each code exactly as shown on the screen because some codes are case-sensitive. Now let's begin redeeming all of the newest and fully working Rivals codes available right now.